You see, I was raising the issue of Nyakisharara for a reason.
Akachiko k'ishenjero aka physical infrastructure akarukwebemberwa Dan Kimosho kabugina abahangu kurwa ministry ya PIDA bebembirwe Minister General Katumba Wamala okushobora hambera yengudo omuyihanga omurushitamoru abanyishengero abarumwitungo Nathan na Mwiche Francis borekero kwetombwitwa ahabwa Base 7 company yahirwe mpatane yo kombeka kishayi cya Nyakisharara omurimba City. Abantu bajyangu company giteka bahoga n'abari kujebembera tabashoborokirwe nuko kushaba nshongeji okuchondozwa.
When you check this company that you are giving the contract to work on Nyakisharara, the information which is available, which you can get. Number one, this company is just related to Base 7 International. Number two, the information is saying that the operations of the company are in Nyakisharara. And when you go to Nyakisharara, there is nothing like operations. They are even saying that it is near Mbarara. They don't even know that they are in Mbarara. When you check the directors of this company, one of the directors is a Ray Cannon, and I don't know how many Ray Cannons are here. Just a Ray Cannon, no name. So, as my colleague here was suggesting, you need to carry out a due diligence on this company. If you check on the registration of this company, it was registered in 2024. The location is Nyakisharara. So, Honourable Minister, I know the assignment has been given to the Prime Minister, and I normally respect the Prime Minister. I don't want to raise these issues on the floor Parliament, but can you help us and do some due diligence on this company?
Tubine experience yo kugira ngo bine kibarombe kiro mu nanke mu Uganda ninga kurekana bagira ngo bino buzare na Base 7 International bino buzare nayo konka Base 7 itself egera kwenda kombeka teyine kera kozere te kombeka gana ngo na petrol station te kombeka gana ngo na ka kiosking kariyaho rero ngo giroti tuwaza kubahereza chance yo kombeka kishayi kuko mwayembekire cha kuriya nicho kizibu kitwine na company ejo.
Bichaman wakachiko aka ajirengo nubaza kwetegereza nshongeji bahe report omukachiko niko kamwe aba KCCA nebenda government kubaha 1.5 trillion okuterezo rembo Kampala
tamanu menjo mukore nguto abo kubengute nyingi zisisikeire zirimo ebina kandi nenyingi bose bazaragandisa zitakushikira ebishayi byenyonye bimwe byose biri mu program kandi bitakukorwa so ntuza kugezaho nutubatera huiraka sendezi kubasika government nezibaha emergency
akachiko karion kachondoza ahankoresa ya sente ombitongore bya government gasha kwa Jime Mhumza.